You're welcome again to IceMan-Tech. This morning we are going to be installing this 50 pieces 50 capacity IceMan machine that is owned by one of our clients, one of our members who bought this machine through us and handed the machine to us for management. This joint manage business. So he bought this machine and he gave it to us. He has paid for everything. So we have bought the compressor. The compressor is now with us. Everything is now ready. We are going to install this machine today. This is just an update to let people know that this machine is going to be installed today. Also to let him know, if you are watching this video, the owner of this machine, he just to inform me that the machine is going to be installed today. So we are going to work on this machine today. By the grace of God, before the end of today, we will upload a new video showing that the machine is now working. And it will be loaded with full water. So we'll be expecting, so that by the end of the week, we'll be expecting your payments. So this is just an update of what is going to happen today. We are going to install this machine today. And by the grace of God, we believe you, the owner of this machine, in the nearest future, will be able to buy other slots or buy other machines, because they say first impression matters. So we are going to make sure that you don't get disappointed in this business. Starting with self, this is your machine here, this is your money. The money, first of all, you are not being scammed on IceMan-Tech. This is your money. So this is your product. You can come any day, and even today, if you come and say that you want to carry this your machine, you are free. You have an agreement with you, to provide you, to give you, you hand over your machine to you. So it's a simple business. So today you are going to store the machine and you start earning your profits. And now too, to other members, if you visit our website at www.iceman-tech.biz, if you see there and get registered, go to the slot, you see other slots. You might see the slot. After we install this slot, it will be on the slot page, but it will not be available for buying, because when it's there, it will be occupied by the owner. It will be there, but it will be occupied by the owner, because the interest will be sending to the owner directly. But it will just be there for people to see that somebody is already using this machine. Why it's not there for now is because it's not yet working. You only put working machine on the slot, or the one that you know that is available for buying. That's what we posted yesterday. But this one is owned by somebody. This is a joint managed business. So it can't be done until it's working. Then the one that is a shared investment can be there, either working or not working, for people to invest on it. So if you register there, we are also offering incentives for those that bring friends to buy machine or not, to buy our slot, or also buy friends to invest, to join business with us by bringing their machine, or by buying a machine and handing it over to us. So we are going to be earning incentives. So incentives will be coming from the person's investments. Yes, we are not giving incentives on deposits. We are giving incentives on earnings. So when the person earns income, a little percentage is being given to you as a referral, as someone that brought the person to the system. So that is how it is. So visit the website and register to a new member, to a new friend, and a new person. You register, buy a slot, or if the slot you are looking for is not available on our system, you can actually contact us via email, WhatsApp, or on Facebook page. Then let's make arrangements for you. Yes, you can make arrangements, a special arrangement for you, a custom slot for you. A custom slot in the sense that the slot you want is not there, and maybe the capital you have is higher than the slot you have there. Assuming that our maximum slot there is 1 million naira, and you want a slot that costs 2 or 3 million, 4 million, you can contact us. On that aspect now, we are not going to take a slot for you. We automatically buy a machine for you, and that will be a joint managed business between you and IceMan-Tech. Yes, If you check the slot are not your choice, you can contact us. We do a custom offer. The capital you invested, if it's up to buying a machine, we don't need to put you on any slot. We just buy a machine for you or fabricate a machine for you. Then it will be your personal machine, which will earn income forever, for lifetime. Like this one now, this is a lifetime investment for this person. This is a lifetime investment. There's no duration here. When this machine is available, when it will be posted on our slot, you will see that it will be showing lifetime, meaning there's no end of income on this. Person keeps earning income for 50 years, 100 years until he decides to end the business with us, to end the contract with us. I remember as one business, the price always fluctuates, so it goes up and goes down depending on weather. So when the price increases, income also increases. When the price decreases, income also decreases. So that's how it is. So my brother, you are welcome to the business. Your machine will be on today and you'll be able to access it. I can see you are already on the system. You have already registered and your accounts are already funded. Yes, your money is already on your account. So it will only go out from your account whenever the machine starts working. It will be invested in the machine. So that's how it is. So just joining us. IceMan-Tech is an ASBlock fabricating, maintenance and investment system. Here we fabricate ASBlock machine. We maintain ASBlock machine. We also manage ASBlock machine and ASBlock business for persons or for people who want to venture into the ASBlock business, but due to light bill and problem, they're not able to pay light bill, they don't have that in your area. Yes, so we now manage the business for them. You can bring your machine. If you have your machine already, you bring it here, we manage it for you. But if you have capital, you want to buy the machine and give to us, yes, you can make arrangement with us, tell us the capacity that you want, then we will fabricate it for you, or we will look for it if it's available for sale. We buy it for you, we do a video as we do for this person, you see everything, we install it, and you start earning from it. Yes, as we normally say, we divide income. So we are gaining, you are gaining, nobody is losing, so nobody is losing your money. That's IceMan-Tech. Welcome again to IceMan-Tech. Thank you for joining IceMan-Tech.